looks like.
What is it, Emma?
Yeah.
What is it? Yum.
Put your hand out. And we're going to try some, see what she thinks of the chocolate chip. Hold on then, let's put the lid on. That's one mistake I don't want to do.
Not like my sister-in-law.
Give it a shake again. I might get the pastry cakes.
Oh, did you see them?
Can you see all the chocolate chips in there?
Good girl. Big mix. Shake it. Big shake. Oh. Oh, listen.
Yeah.
Do it again.
Oh. I found this a lot easier. It's less. I know it looks like it's got more to wash up, but it's not. But I'll take that back. And do the wash up whenever.
You will know it. I'll do it just now.
Right then. Hold on. Let's do the other ones then. We're going to do all the sides. Let me have a quick shake myself. Can I have a quick shake? That's that nice.
It's a cake rattle. Emma.
Should be. Have you got the spatula?
This one?
Yeah, that's it. That's my old faithful, that is.
Oh, see, when you get a good one, you can't get another one, can
I
you?
know. This one as well, it's ideal because you can't get because it's got no egg in it, you can't get no salmonella or nothing in. You having a mix? Hold on then.
Smart, Alec.
Brilliant, good girl. If I pull that, bring that down here. Oh, we're missing it. I'll be able to tip it in, look. See that? We go now to the next one. Oh, that one's a bit full. But you're still cooked nice. That's it. Next one.